Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make your phone look awesome. For this, first you have to go to the Play Store. Search for Nova Launcher. As you can see, I have downloaded it. I have a Prime version of it. If I will get it, I will get it on the links in the description. Then you have to download Super Widget. Okay. After downloading, I have downloaded Super Widget Pro. After downloading that, you have to download Minimal UI for Super Widget or Parrot for Super. I have downloaded both. Then you can download some wallpaper. Open Nova Launch. Okay, so do that, swipe to open, then go in Nova settings. Set Nova as default launcher. Then turn off the dock. Apps and widget draws. Grid should be 4x4. Swipe to open. Don't do swipe indicator. App draw style vertical. Enable fast scroller. Scroll accent color. Search bar. And what you want to. Look and feel. Sorry, I forgot to tell you to download for the Cygnus Dark Icon Pack. So, the Nova settings, look and feel, set the icon theme for Cygnus Dark. If you want to set another, you can set the wallpaper you like and gesture input. I have done this, and gesture swipe up for app drawer. Enable this. And place the widget. For example, I will remove it. Widget. For example, I will take this 2x4. It's too thick. I will resize. I will go for Parrot because I like it too. You can select some from the minimal UI for Super. It will take some time to load. And select clock or Google search bar. There are so many cool looking clock, etc. You can do any one of them from the one you like. For example, I'm doing this. You can set the widget name, the scaling, and widget on tag. Or any app you want to do or any shortcut. I can disable it and configure and super update. Location, it has been done. Choose the calendar to show. For example, I'm doing my calendar. Okay, and yes, it. Please 3 icons, and yes. Oh, only one page should be there. Okay, down only one page on the home screen. Sorry for the screen. And this is how to make your home screen or screen look awesome. This is a nature setup of Nova Launcher. Okay, if you like, please subscribe me and give a like to the video. Thank you.